Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna see how to put two videos on one screen on CapCut. Firstly, open CapCut and click New Project. Tap Import and select the two videos you want from your device. Drag both videos onto the timeline. One will appear above the other in layers. Just trim the longer video to match the shorter one if needed. Select each video and use the corner handles to resize and reposition them side by side. You can add transitions between clips, adjust their duration, or apply filters or effects if desired. Now, when you're done, click the Export button in the top right and choose your desired resolution, frame rate, and codec. Hit Export again to save it. Optionally, share directly to YouTube or TikTok. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.